Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to view screen time on Android. So let's get into it. First of all, navigate to the Settings app and tap on the gear icon to open the Settings menu. Now scroll down and tap on Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. This feature helps you monitor your app usage. Here, you will see a summary of your screen time and app usage. Tap on the dashboard to get a detailed view. In the detailed view, you will see a list of your most used apps along with the amount of time you have spent on each one. You can tap on the allow icon to see the previous activity, and you can notice the apps list is changed with every day's activity. And that's it. Now you know how to see screen time on your Android phone. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.